Myself, Dr.V.Ganesh, Professor of Mathematics. I have to give 6 tips to overcome the mathematics phobia. Nowadays, so many students are afraid of mathematics. If you follow these 6 tips, you are a king in mathematics. The first step is understanding basic principle and concepts. Suppose if you take any chapter, as a student, you have to identify what are the principles we have to use in that particular chapter, and then the concepts, what are the concepts that covered in that chapter. First of all, think these two, what are the principles and what are the concepts. And coming to the second one, summarizing the procedure. So in this, you have to identify what are the procedure we have to follow while solving the problems. Okay, what are the steps you have to follow? What are the applications you have to follow? First of all, summarize the procedure. And then the third one is maintain a formulae book. Formulae book means, first of all, while solving the problems, you have to note down the particular formula where you used. So maintain a separate book and identify the problem and note down the separately. It is very useful while practicing the problem in examinations. And then the next point, that is the fourth point, is more and more practice. It's very important one. Why? Because nowadays students are reading the mathematics. See that reading the mathematics, please avoid that one. For mathematics students, we have to practice. So you know one proverb, practice makes man perfect. That is also useful for the mathematics students. If you practice well, then the mathematics will be very easy. And then the fifth point is self-examination. So self-examination means you have to take one question paper. So close your books and you have to write your examination only, and you have to analyze where we done the mistake. So like this, we have to take more test, what do you call that, mock test. Take the mock test only. Then you can identify where you are weak and where you are strengthened. So after finishing your practice, make a self-examination. That's the fifth point. And finally, the sixth point is strategies to follow writing the maths examination. So in this, while you are receiving the question paper, first of all, see the problem and analyze the problem. In that problem, what is given, what is you have to find. So while writing the examination, you have to concentrate the two things. First thing is, what is the problem, what is given the problem, what is given content, what you have to find, and what is the proper formula we have to use for solving the problem. So note down the problem, note down the problem, note the formula, and underline the formula and procedure, and finally the solution. So if you follow these 6 tips, then the mathematics is very easy to you, and we can overcome the maths phobia.